In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to FireAlpaca. Now, you can directly add fonts inside the FireAlpaca application. However, you have to install them onto your computer's operating system instead, and then they'll be available inside FireAlpaca as well, okay? So step one would be to obtain the font. You have to find a font you want to use inside the FireAlpaca. You want to find it and you want to download it from like a trusted source. Maybe you got it from someone, maybe you even created it from, of course, scratch. You created yourself, whatever. So you must have a file. Now, that file is usually going to be a .ttf, which is the true type font, or .otf, which is the open type font format, okay? Now, either of these formats are going to work. And whenever you've done this, you'll see that, of course, you'll be available to basically get a file, which is going to look like this. Let me pull this up for you. I have one, for example, over here. There we go. As you can see, it's a font called Mooglator, and of course, it's a TTF font. So to then actually add it to FireAlpaca, what you have to do is first close FireAlpaca, and when you do this, you want to double click on that specific font and click on the install button top left over here. Then it's going to start installing your font, and there we go. When it's done, what you have to do is simply close this and reopen FireAlpaca. So just go ahead and open it up, and when you do this, the font should now be available. So as you can see, if I go and, for example, add a new layer over here, just to show you, I'm going to add text over here, click, and there we go, the font name. I can look for example, Moo, and there we go. As you can see, my new font has been added, and it's here at the very bottom, okay? So I can just click on it, and I can then go and use it here directly inside FireAlpaca. So that's how to do it. Just install a font to your computer, and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.